Hi everybody, I am Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. This is the first of 20 videos on how to build a Google site for beginners. So we're actually using the documentation from the support.google.com training, and we're just going to follow this step by step, and I'm going to actually create videos to take you through this process. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a site. There are two ways to do this. You can actually create it from the sites.google.com homepage, or you can do it from your Google Drive. So let's show you how to do both of those. When we click on this link, obviously it's going to open a new window. That's what that little bar means. We're going to click on Sites homepage, and you'll see I'm actually brought to a page where we have some Google site templates. You can think of Google Sites just like a website. It has a lot of the same abilities and functionality of a website. When we click on the template gallery, it's going to open up all of the templates that Google has created for us. Now, depending on what you're going to use your Google site for, your template may vary. Maybe it's a student portfolio template that your students are going to be copying. Maybe it's a teacher portfolio. Maybe it's a club or after-school program. Most of you are probably going to be using this as a class. I'm actually going to be using my Google site as a Google site training site, which sounds really weird and very meta-cognizant, but we're going to click on that. And what you'll see is my site will be created by just clicking on that link. It's going to take a few minutes to load, and you'll see that I have a lot of options here on the screen. And we're going to go through a lot of them. We're going to go through layouts and text boxes and pages and themes, but today we're just creating the site, the initial setup of the site. Let's go look at the second way to create a Google site. When we go to Google Drive, what you're going to see is you're going to see the site that I just created there. It's right here. I'm going to left click on this, and I'm actually going to remove this so I don't have anything here. And now what we'll do is we'll go to New, click on More, and you'll see all of the other options here. But right here is where we click on Google Sites. It'll take us back to the page we were just at. You'll see we'll have a title page here, pages, themes. Now what you'll notice is this doesn't have a template because I haven't put any templates in. So I'm going to go back and choose a template that I like that matches my style and what I want to accomplish with my Google site. We're going to talk in the next video how to name your Google site.